They often compare Indian classical dance with Western ballet. But as I've mentioned earlier, what makes them different is the unique mime we have in Indian classical dance. Otherwise, both styles are very ancient styles. Rules govern every part of the body. They both, ballet and Bharatanatyam, require many, many years of hard work, dedication. So going back to this unique aspect of mime, this next dance is a classic piece which has been sung for thousands of years, especially in South India. Grandmothers are telling this story to the kids, and now you're going to get to watch it as Jasmine demonstrates the story. Mother Yashoda is searching for Krishna. Where is he? Where did he go? Ah, that beautiful sound. It is his magical flute. But where is he? Ah, Krishna is playing with his friends. Come, let's go by the water. See this stick? I'm going to hide it. There. Now, can you find it? No? I'll find it. You wait. See that? Oh, I am so smart. Now listen, you get some more sand. You get water. We will build a castle. Decorate it. That tastes good. Do you want some? No? My mother. Whoa. Get up. What's in your mouth? Nothing. Nothing. You bad boy, I'm going to pull your ears. Open your mouth. No, don't pull my ears. Everybody's telling lies. I did not eat anything. Okay, you're such a good boy. Come on. Open your mouth. Okay, I will. Okay. Let me see. Oh my God. I see mountains. I see oceans. I see lightning and fire. I see Krishna. I see myself. Oh. Arise, mother. Don't be alarmed. I'm Vishnu. I have come to this world to uplift it. I am from Udupi. Krishna, you quickly come to me. Krishnani Begani is in Rag Yaman Kalyani, and Dina will join her as the mischievous Krishna.
ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಡದಿರು